Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we take a look at the OnePlus 8T 5G smartphone. The OnePlus 8T sports a dimension of 160.7mm by 74.1mm by 8.4mm and weighs 180 grams. It comes with a 6.55-inch 2004 by 1080 pixels 402 ppi 120Hz Amoled screen, which is very fluid. In the package, you will find the OnePlus 8T, the Warp Charge 65 power adapter, the Warp Charge Type-C to C cable, a quick start guide, a welcome letter, a safety information and warranty card, a logo sticker, a plastic case, a screen protector, and a SIM tray ejector. At the center of the phone is a Snapdragon 865, and it is the first to ship with the OxygenOS based on Android 11. Now the phone has either 8GB or 12GB of LpDDr4x, and storage wise it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.12 lane. Battery wise, it has a 4500 mAh battery, which can be charged up to 100% within 39 minutes using the Warp Charger 65. In the camera department, it has a 48 megapixel main camera powered by the Sony IMX586 sensor. There is also a 16 megapixel ultrawide angle lens, a 5 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel monochrome lens. In terms of video, you can take 4K or 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second. Slow motion can be taken at 1080p at 240 frames per second or 720p at 480 frames per second. The front camera is a Sony IMX471 at 16 megapixel, and it can take 1080p video at 30 frames per second. Now in terms of connectivity, the OnePlus 8T supports 4x4 MIMO and supports Cat20 download and Cat18 for upload. It supports most of the 3G and 4G bands in Singapore. In terms of 5G, it supports both NSA and SA networks. So basically, the trial network in Singapore will work because we are using the N1 band. Now in future, when they use the N78 band, it will also work. The phone also supports the Wi-Fi 802.11 A, B, G, and AC and AX. So basically, when you connect to Wi-Fi, you should be getting very high speed. We took some shots using the OnePlus 8T and compared it with the Google Pixel 3 XL. The pictures on the OnePlus 8T seems to be more saturated and is actually quite comparable to the Pixel 3 XL. As for wide angle, the picture pales compared to the picture taken using the normal lens. The macro lens takes very good detailed pictures that is provided if you take it during the daytime. Okay guys, that's all for this quick review. For detailed review, please visit http://en.ocworkbench.com and post your comments below, and remember to click the bell and subscribe to our channel.